The ocean is so majestic. It is Monday morning now, just before 7 a.m. One of the things you have to do at this place is come down early to reserve your pool chairs. And Shua wanted to get some particular ones, so we got those all taken care of, and towels on the chairs to claim them as ours. But also get to see this beautiful sun coming up. Not many people out here at this time of the day. Got lots more fun stuff ahead over the next couple days, so stay tuned. But first, coffee.
Look, I still have my mouth guard.
Yeah. Little morning stroll on the beach. Breakfast snack this morning. Just went to the room to take a nap after breakfast, but they're cleaning it, so now I'm on the beach and try to see if I can catch up with Shua, who I can see walking in the distance. There she is. I flagged her down. I found you. They were cleaning our room.
Oh my god. I felt something. I was like, I felt like the need to turn around.
There's no way to explain all the things I feel. I feel weak, I feel weird, just like I'm not even real.
The white ring goes on the outside. If you make it opposite. Oh! That's hard.
Honey!
That's my shot. That's my shot. Turtle sighting on the beach. It's laying some eggs. Everybody's going surf. Heading to the beach. Finally gonna get in this ocean water now. We're losing some of them. a 10-minute walk, maybe a bit too far for them. Woo, here comes a big one. Back from the beach now, at the pool, time for some tacos. Dinner time. Looks like someone's wearing the same shirt as me. Here comes another guy with the same shirt. Nice shirt, bro.
Love that shirt too.
Cute.
Nice shirt.
Cute look. It's Tuesday morning now. Pretty early, sun's not up yet. My phone decided to stop working completely during dinner last night, so that explains the lack of footage. But it's working this morning. Gonna hit up the gym and get my run in before the day continues. Got the place to myself. I don't think they have the air conditioning on this place because I didn't run that far, and I am soaked in sweat. But that's all right, that's the hardest thing I will do all day. Got done just in time to see the sun coming up. Service today. Gonna take it nice and easy this morning. Our last full day in Cabo. We came down for the sole purpose of taking a nap. That's what we shall do now. I was having a nice nap, but it got interrupted by these people. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers to the last night in Cabo. finishing up the last night here at the pool with a little night swimming. Heading home tomorrow. It's been a great trip, but excited to get home, see the kids, and get back to normal life. That's it for today. To be continued on the next one.